1, 2, 3. Good morning. Okay,
And teacher.
Good morning, students.
Morning, guys.
Before we start, we're going to have a quick warm-up with Teacher Ohm, so let's quickly pay attention. Teacher, yes, your microphone is muted, teacher.
Okay, thank you, sorry. Okay, put your left hand, touch your nose, and right hand, touch your ears. And then we're gonna switch. Okay, this is for example. 1, 2, okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, thank you everyone. Good job.
Very good, very good. Okay, so welcome back, you guys, to our class. And a happy New Year to all of you. In the Western world, we celebrate New Year at the end of December. So happy New Year. And let's hope that this year will bring a lot of joy and happiness to all of you. And also very good marks in the classes. Yes. Okay. So we are currently busy with reading. And what we are busy with is reuse, reduce, recycle. So I have a short video that we will watch. I think we can watch that at the beginning so that we have an idea of reuse, reduce, recycle, and so that we can also start off the new year with something a little fun. So let's quickly watch this video. And then we will start with our lesson. Oops. Recording. Sorry for that. The first one, to make chicken curry is easy. Follow these 10 easy what?
10 steps.
Oh, I want to do our hangman, but you guys are too fast for me. The 10 easy steps. Excellent. Very good answer. Number 2, at the supermarket, they use a lot of for fruits and vegetables. A lot of starts with a B. Starts with a B. What do you think? Anyone, give me a letter.
E.
E. Unfortunately, E is not in this one. Very good try, Jasmine.
A.
A. Very good.
H. T. Bags.
Bags, excellent. Bags. Tantan said HT for but. But they want to know what do we use for fruit and vegetables. Let's see. At the supermarket, they use a lot of, yeah, but does not fit properly here, but it's still a very good guess. Thank you. But this answer is 100% bags. You can say bags or plastic bags. It's up to you. Okay. Number 3. He a rich but kind businessman.
Help.
He gives half of his money to
Help. Poor. P-O-O-R.
P-O-O-R. Let's see if it fits in. Poor
But
people.
I'm not sure, teacher. I'm not sure.
You don't have to be 100% sure as long as you are guessing. And at this time you guessed 100% correct. Excellent. I also heard the word help. So where can we use the word help? We can say He is a rich but kind businessman. He gives half of his money to poor people to help them. Okay. So if I couldn't hear who said help, but we can say to help them, to make the sentence a little bit longer. Okay. Let me just, I'm going to disable notification annotations for now. Okay. So the number 4. Bottles are better than glass ones, but they don't break if you drop them. Which bottles are better than glass ones? Because they don't break. What do we think? It starts with a P. What do we think? Starts with a P.
Plastic.
Plastic. Excellent. Plastic. Plastic bottles are better than glass bottles because they don't break. Very difficult to break them. Okay, and the last one. Don't throw the magazine in the garbage. Remember, we can paper things. Starts with an R.
Recycle.
Excellent, excellent. Yes. Recycle. Okay, now I want you guys to read these 5 sentences to me so we can practice them a little bit. Okay. So for sentence number 1, you guys can start reading it to me now.
It's easy to make chicken curry. Follow 10 steps.
Excellent. Good job. Good job. Let's have some more students reading. Let's get everyone all together here. Okay, number 2.
The supermarket, they use a lot of bags for the fruits and vegetables.
Very good. Very good. Thank you, guys. Very good. Okay. All together here, number 3.
Rich, but kind. He half of his money to people to help them.
Excellent. Good job. Good job. You guys, number 4.
Plastic bottles
Plastic
are
bottle are better than glass one because
they
they don't break
if you drop
them.
Excellent. Good job. Good job. And then for the last one, number 5.
Don't throw that magazine in the garbage. Remember, we can recycle things.
Thank you very much. Excellent reading, you guys. The pronunciation is very good. I really do like that. So yes, that was understanding A and B. So sometimes we can use words that we find in the reading passage to make new sentences from them, like we saw in understanding B. So over here, we have in the real world. So they say, look at the things below. Can we recycle them? Write the words in the correct box. So we have two boxes.
And a newspaper, a glass bottle.
Yes, okay, Tantan, just one moment. Let me quickly explain. Your answers sound correct. So firstly, we have two boxes here. We can recycle them. We cannot recycle them. So let's start looking at what we can and cannot. So we'll do one by one. So the first one we have is a can. Is it possible to recycle the can or not?
Can.
We can. Excellent. So we can recycle a can. Next one, a light bulb.
We can't recycle this.
Again, please.
We can't recycle.
We can't recycle. Why?
Cannot.
Why can we not recycle? You look at it, it has glass here and it has metal here.
Oh.
Tricky. Think a little bit. Your first answer was 100% correct. We cannot recycle it because the way we recycle glass and the way we recycle metal is different. So if we have one object like a light bulb, we cannot recycle the light bulb because we need different processes to recycle the light bulb. And also inside the light bulb, there is a lot of small things in there that are not recyclable. So we cannot recycle them. Okay. What about a fast food box? What about a fast food box?
We can recycle.
We can recycle. Yes, 100% we can. I was gonna say fast food box. We can recycle. Excellent. What about the newspaper?
I think
Can. Yes, excellent. Newspaper. We can definitely recycle a newspaper. What about a clay pot?
can't.
Can't. Why?
I don't know why.
Because the clay pot, we usually can recycle some form of clay, but mainly we use it to reuse. So we use the clay pot for a different function. So that one we'll say we cannot. Once the clay has dried and become very strong and treated, we cannot recycle it anymore. What about a battery? What about a battery?
We can.
Excellent, excellent. A battery cannot be recycled because it has lithium inside it. And inside it, it has a lot of components that we cannot recycle. Okay, two more here before we finish up for today's reading class. A plastic cup.
Can recycle.
Are you sure we can?
I'm not sure.
Not sure. But I'll give you benefit of the doubt and say excellent job because it's possible. Plastic can be recycled. We can. And the last one we have is a glass bottle.
Can recycle.
Yes, we can recycle a glass bottle. Very good. So, at the bottom here, it asks us to make a poster. we're not going to make a poster for today. We might make one in the next lesson. Because if we do this, I want it to be as a group on a big poster. So we can then make a big poster so we can talk about it and maybe also put it at school so that we can also inform other students about what we can and cannot recycle. Because it's very important to start from a very young age to do these things so that when we become older, we can do more and more and help the community and take care of everyone around us. A lot of people can use glass bottles, especially in Thailand and also in some other countries. They can use the glass bottles to make some money. If you give enough glass bottles to the recycling plant, they will pay you for bringing the bottles. So you can also make some money by gathering all the glass bottles and plastic bottles around you and giving it to the recycling plant. And they will then pay you some money for that. It's not a lot of money, but it's still a way of making some extra money for yourself, especially for students that maybe want to make some extra pocket money. It's a good idea to start recycling as a hobby, walking around, picking up plastic bottles and glass bottles. Okay. So, what did we actually talk about today? Who remembers? Let's see if you remember.
Recycle.
Recycle, excellent. We also talk about reuse and reduce. Okay. So that's all that we're going to do today. Since it is our first lesson for the new year, let's see who can be the first one to beat teacher in rock, paper, scissors. I hope you guys took your off time to practice because I also practiced. So please make sure your cameras are turned on. I'll give you about 5 seconds or so before we start. Let's see who can beat me today. Are you guys ready? Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Excellent, excellent. Okay.
Wait.
Oh, I have to change my filter. Just a moment, otherwise you can't see. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3. Shoot. Oh, Jasmine and Pooh and teacher. Oh, congratulations. Oh, so Pooh is usually the one to always beat me. And Jasmine today also beat me.
No.
Excellent.
I not always beat
Not
you.
always, but most of the time.
I always lose to you.
Okay, Temfa, congratulations. You also had scissors. Very good, Temfa. So it's 3 of you that beat me. Congratulations for those that beat me. And for those that maybe could not beat me now, you have another opportunity in math class. Oh, a lot of loud music. But anyway, I'll see you guys in about 20 minutes. Take a short break, grab some water, and then we will be back for mathematics. Bye-bye.
Thank you guys.
Bye bye.